Hi guys! Welcome sa Engineered Math Channel. So ang topic natin ngayon is for differential calculus, which is about chain rule for derivatives of algebraic functions, part 3. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung parts 1 and 2, ililink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo muna, para meron na kayong idea or background about the lesson. So ito yung formula natin for chain rule for derivatives of algebraic function. So if u is a function of x, then the derivative of u to the n with respect to x is equal to n u to the n minus 1 times du over dx. Okay, so gagamitin natin tong formula. Nakasolve na tayo sa parts 1 and 2 hanggang ito yung mga nasolve nating problems. Umabot tayo problem 13. Okay, so tuloy natin. Let's have problem number 14. So for number 14, find dy over dx pa rin if y is equal to x to the 4 minus x to the negative 3 times 5 minus x squared to the negative 1. So, meron tayong product ng dalawang functions. Okay? Ito tsaka ito. Pwede nating applyan yan ng product rule. So, naturo ko na rin to, di ba, yung product rule. Ang formula natin for product rule, let's say the derivative of u and v, product of u and v is equal to v du over dx plus u dv over dx, where u and v are both functions of x. So, pwede tayong mag-assign, pwedeng ito si u, pwedeng ito si v, or kahit baliktad pwede rin. So, therefore, dy over dx applying product rule is, so copy the v, which is 5 minus x squared raised to the negative 1 and then derivative of u, which is x to the 4 minus x to the negative 3 plus copy the u, which is x to the 4 minus x to the negative 3, then times the derivative of v, which is 5 minus x squared to the negative 1. Okay. So, we will have 5 minus x squared to the negative 1. And then, apply na natin yung chain rule. Kasi kukuhain natin yung derivative nitong dalawa. Again, yung chain rule, derivative ng u to the n is equal to n u to the n minus 1 times du over dx. So, kung dito sa unang derivative, ang u natin is itong base x to the 4th minus x. Tapos yung n natin is yung exponent na negative 3. Right? So, bababa muna yung exponent na negative 3 and then copy the u, x to the 4 minus x, then raise to n minus 1. So, negative 3 minus 1 times the derivative of u, which is yung x to the 4th minus x. So, ito ay magiging negative 4 na. Right? Then, plus, this time, copy x to the fourth minus x to the negative 3. And then, i-derivative natin to. So, kung a-apply natin yung chain rule, ito yung u, 5 minus x squared, tapos yung n, yung negative 1. Okay? So, derivative nito is, baba nyo muna yung exponent na negative 1, yung n, times u, which is 5 minus x squared, raised to n minus 1, so negative 1 minus 1, times the derivative of u, which is 5 minus x squared. So, ito ay magiging negative 2 na. Okay, so simplifying, bale, pwede ko na itong isulat, unahin ko na itong negative 3. Tapos, ito yung 5 minus x squared to the negative 1. Tapos, x to the fourth minus x to the negative 4. And then, derivative nito. So, derivative natin each term. Derivative ng x to the fourth. So, bababa yung 4. Power rule. Then, x raised to 4 minus 1. So, that's 3. Okay. Power rule. Derivative ng x to the fourth, 4x cubed. Then, minus the derivative of x, which is 1. Okay. Tapos, ito, magiging negative, by negative 1 tayo, no? Negative x to the fourth minus x to the negative 3, 5 minus x squared to the negative 2, and then derivative ng 5 minus x squared. So, derivative ng 5, 0, minus derivative ng x squared, 2x. Or simply negative 2x na lang to. Yan. So, kapag sinimplify natin, eto no, magiging positive na to. So, unahin ko tong isulat. So, negative times negative 2x, positive 2x. Tapos, x to the fourth minus x to the negative 3. 5 minus x squared to the negative 2. Tapos, ito, sige, copy ko. Inuna ko lang isulat ito. Kasi magiging positive na siya eh. So, mas maganda na una yung positive bago yung negative. Yan. And then next, mag-factor tayo ng common expression. So, ano yung common? Ito yung x to the fourth minus x to the negative 3, tsaka x to the 4 minus x to the negative 4. So, ang ifa-factor out natin dyan is yung mas maliit na exponent. Common kasi sila. Anong mas maliit na exponent? Negative 4 or negative 3? Negative 4. Right? Ito yung common factor natin. Tapos, meron pa bang naging common? Ito. So, factor out natin yung 5 minus x squared. So, anong pipiliin yung exponent? Yung mas mababa. Negative 2. Right? Yan. So, ito yung common factor natin. Wala naman na tayong common factor sa constants, pati sa x at dito. No? So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin to dito. Ano yung matitira pag dinivide? So, ito yung 2x. Automatic. Kasama siya, matitira siya. Dito sa x to the fourth minus x, divide mo to by dito, kasi negative 3, divided by, x to the fourth minus x to the negative 3 divided by x to the fourth minus x to the negative 4. Balik, kakopy mo yung base, x to the fourth minus x, tapos isusubtract mo yung exponent. Negative 3 minus negative 4, positive 1, right? Or wag yun na isulat kapag 1. Next, dito naman, ayan, pag dinivide nyo to dito, 1 na lang. Kasi same sila ng exponent to. So, times 1 na lang to. Or no need to write na kung 1 lang naman. Tapos dito, i-divide nyo rin by the common factor. So, itong negative 3, copy mo na lang, dito na lang. Okay, dito sa 5 minus x squared to the negative 1 divided by 5 minus x squared to the negative 2. So, kakopy mo yung base na 5 minus x squared and then subtract yung exponent, negative 1 minus negative 2, positive 1. Or wag nyo na isulat kung 1 lang yung exponent. Tapos dito, kapag dinivide mo to by this, 1 na lang. Kasi same na sila na exponent na negative 4. Or wag nyo na isulat kung times 1 lang. And then ito, copy nyo lang din 4x cubed minus 1. So, ito na yung ating factored form. Ang gagawin na lang natin is isi-simplify natin yung nasa loob ng bracket. Okay, so i-distribute ko lang tong 2x, no? So, 2x times x to the 4th, 2x to the 5th, minus 2x times x, 2x squared. Tapos, dito, ifo-foil ko to, foil. So, mamaya ko ita times 3. So, dito ko tutuloy. 5 times 4x cubed, 20x cubed. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Negative x squared times 4x cubed. Negative 4x to the 5th, and negative x squared times negative 1, positive x squared. Yan. So, copy. Ito nga, i-distribute natin, no? Yung negative 3. So, negative 3 times 20x cubed, bale negative 60x cubed. Negative 3 times negative 5, positive 15. Negative 3 times negative 4x to the 5th, positive 12x to the 5th. And negative 3 times x squared, negative 3x squared. Yan. So, x to the 4th minus x to the negative 4. 5 minus x squared to the negative 2. Meron ba tayong mako-combine? Ito. 2x to the 5th plus 12x to the 5th. 14x to the 5th. Tapos, sa x cubed, wala tayong mako-combine. So, copy negative 60x cubed. Sa x squared, ito. Negative 2x squared minus 3x squared, negative 5x squared. And then, plus 15, copy na lang. Walang similar terms. Tapos, pwede natin gawing positive exponent to. Diba? Kasi negative exponent sila. So, bababa sa denominator. So, magiging ito, numerator, copy, 14x to the 5th minus 16x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15. Tas bababa to, x to the 4th minus x, tas raised to the positive 4 na siya. Right? Ito rin, bababa sa denominator, 5 minus x squared raised to the second power na siya, positive 2. Tapos, pwede pa nating i-factor out dito yung x if we want. Diba? So, sige, copy natin to. Copy ko na lang. Kapag i-factor out ko yung x dito, magiging x times x cubed minus 1 raised to the 4th, right? Tapos, distribute nyo pa yung exponent na 4 by power of a product law. So, magiging x to the 4th times x cubed minus 1 to the 4th. Okay? So, this is the final answer. Problem number 14. Okay, number 15. For 15, y is 2x squared plus 1 divided by 3x cubed plus 1 squared. Okay, so find dy over dx. So, pwede natin agad gamitin muna yung chain rule, di ba? Derivative ng u to the n is n u to the n minus 1 times du over dx. So, etong pinaka-u natin is yung 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1. Tapos yung n, yung exponent niya na 2. Okay? So, applying chain rule agad. So, dy over dx is bababa yung 2, n. Tapos, copy the u. 2x squared plus 1 divided by 3x cubed plus 1. Then raise to n minus 1. So, 2 minus 1. Then times, by chain rule, the derivative pa nung u, 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1. So, ito, magiging 2 minus 1, 1 na lang. Or kung 1 lang naman yung exponent, no need to write. Okay? So, ang next step is, i-derivative natin ngayon, ito. So, anong rule ang gagamitin natin? Since meron tayong quotient, 'di ba, fraction, a-applyan natin niya ng quotient rule. So, naturo ko na rin yung quotient rule. Kung meron kayong derivative ng u over v, ang formula niyan is v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. So, bale, yung numerator is yung u, 2x squared plus 1. Yung denominator is yung v, 3x cubed plus 1. So, magiging 2 times 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1. So, copy. Tapos, a-apply natin yung product rule dito. So, copy the v. V is yung denominator, 3x cubed plus 1, times the derivative of u, which is yung, ito, 2x squared plus 1, then minus, copy the u, 2x squared plus 1, times the derivative of v, 3x cubed plus 1. And then, over the square nung v, 3x cubed plus 1 squared. Okay, so we have 2 times 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1 times 3x cubed plus 1 derivative ng 2x squared plus 1. So, derivative natin term by term. So, sa 2x squared, copy nyo yung 2 constant times the derivative of x squared is 2x. Right? So, 2 times 2x, 4x. Plus, the derivative of 1, 0. So, no need to write the 0, 4x na lang. Then, minus 2x squared plus 1. derivative times the derivative of 3x cubed plus 1. So, derivative natin each term. Sa 3x cubed, yung 3 constant copy, times the derivative of x cubed power rule, 3x squared, right? So, bale, 3 times 3x squared, 9x squared. Then, plus the derivative of 1, 0. So, no need to write the 0, 9x squared na lang. Yan. Ay, mali. Then, over 3x cubed plus 1 squared. So, pwede nating isimplify ito. No, simplify natin. So, 2 times 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1, copy mo lang. And then, i-expand natin. So, distribute lang. 3x cubed times 4x squared is 12x to the 4th. Tapos, plus 1 times 4x, 4x. Tapos, eto, sama ko yung negative ba? So, negative 9x squared times 2x squared, negative 18x to the 4th. Tapos, negative 9x squared times positive 1, negative 9x squared. Then, over 3x cubed plus 1 squared. So, 2 times 2x squared plus 1 over 3x cubed plus 1 times, may mako-combine ba tayo? Ito yung 12x to the 4th minus 18x to the 4th, negative 6x to the 4th. And then itong negative 9x squared, copy na lang, tsaka yung plus 4x. Wala nang similar terms. Over 3x cubed plus 1 squared. So, pwede natin ngayong i-multiply itong denominator. Right? So, itong mga numerator, pag multiplyin lang natin. So, 2 times 2x squared plus 1 times negative 6x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 4x. So, by the way, kung gusto nyong i-factor out yung x, factor out natin yung x. Pwede, diba? Pag finactor out ko dito yung x, common monomial factor x, yung mas mababang exponent, diba? X to the 4th, x squared, x to the 4th, x squared, and x to the 1st. So, x to the 1st. So, magiging negative 6x cubed na lang to. Tapos, ito, x na lang from squared. Tapos, itong x, wala na siya. Then, over. So, ito, 3x cubed plus 1 raised to the 1st yan, di ba? Times mo dito sa 3x cubed plus 1 squared. Bale, so ito, magiging sa numerator, unahin ko na yung 2x times 2x squared plus 1. Negative 6x cubed plus 9x plus 4. Minus pala, sorry. Minus over 3x cubed plus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, 3. So, this is the derivative. Okay, problem number 15. Okay, next. 15, 16. Y is x minus 1 times x cubed plus 3 cubed, x cubed plus 3 to the 3rd, square root of x squared plus x. So, meron tayong quotient fraction. So, a-apply natin yung quotient rule ulit. So, derivative ng u over v is v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared, where u and v are functions of x. Okay? So, bale, yung numerator natin, numerator is the u. Itong buong expression. Tapos, yung denominator is the v, yung square root ng x squared plus x. So, dy over dx applying quotient rule is, so copy the v, which is itong square root of x squared plus x times du over dx. So, ang u natin is itong expression na to lahat. X minus 1 times x cubed plus 3 cube. Then, minus, copy the u, x minus 1 times x cubed plus 3 cube times the derivative of v, square root of x squared plus x. Then, over the square ng v, okay, square root of x squared plus x squared. Yan. So, simplifying or kukuhain natin yung derivative ngayon, copy lang tong x squared plus x. Tapos, anong gagamitin natin dito? May product tayo ng x minus 1 tsaka x cube plus 3x cube. X cube plus 3 cube. Product rule uli, di ba? So, kung product rule, derivative ng uv is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, pwedeng ito si u, ito si v. Okay? So, copy the u, x minus 1 times derivative of v, itong x cube plus 3 cube. Then, plus, copy the v, x cube plus 3 cube times the derivative of u, x minus 1. Okay. Tapos dito, minus, so copy ko lang to, x minus 1 times x cube plus 3 cube, derivative ng square root of x squared plus x. So, di ba pwede kasi nating isulat tong square root ng x squared plus x as naka-raise na lang siya sa 1/2. So, i-erase ko to sa 1/2 para ma-apply natin yung chain rule. So, square root nung x squared plus x is equal lang sa x squared plus x raised to 1/2, diba? So, paano madiderivative to? Applying the chain rule. So, ang chain rule uli is derivative ng u to the n is n u to the n minus 1 du over dx. So, ito yung u, yung x squared plus x, yung n is yung 1/2. Right? So, getting the derivative, so, bababa muna yung 1/2. Ito yung n. Tapos, copy the u, x squared plus x raised to n minus 1. So, 1/2 minus 1, then times the derivative of u, yung x squared plus x. Tama? So, ito, magiging ano na to? Magiging 1/2 minus 1. Simplify ko na negative 1/2. Okay. Then, all over, ito lahat naka-all over yan, sa, ito, square root nung x squared plus x squared. So, dahil naka-square na yung square root, makakancel na yung square root sa square, x squared plus x na lang. Okay? So, x squared plus x. Gets? Okay, so magdi-derivative pa tayo. May mga natitira pang derivative sa numerator. So, square root ng x squared, ito gawin ko na nga lang din siyang fractional exponent. X squared plus x to the 1/2. Diba? Ito. Tapos, times x minus 1. Ito, i-derivative natin. So, a-applyan natin ng chain rule ulit. Etong formula uli na yan. Bale, etong base natin, yung u. Yung x cube plus 3, tapos n is 3. Okay, so derivative ng x cube plus 3 cube, bababa yung n, yung 3. Tapos copy the u, x cube plus 3. Then, raised to n minus 1. Sige, squared na lang, right? Then, times the derivative of u, which is yung x cube plus 3. Okay. Then, plus, ito, x cube plus 3 cube, copy, times the derivative of x minus 1. 1, derivative ng x is 1, minus derivative ng 1, 0. So, 1 minus 0, 1 na lang. Okay. Then, minus, eto magiging ano na to. Unahin ko nang isulat yung 1/2. So, negative 1/2 x minus 1 x cube plus 3 cube. And then, itong x squared plus x to the negative 1/2 times the derivative neto. So, x squared derivative is 2x plus derivative ng x, 1. Yan. Then, divided by x squared plus x. Ito na lang yung huling derivative. So, x squared plus x raised to 1/2 times, so unahin ko na yung 3, x minus 1, tapos x cube plus 3 squared, and then derivative neto is derivative ng x cube plus 3, derivative ng x cube is 3x squared, plus derivative ng 3, 0. So, wag na isulat yung 0. 3x squared na lang. Then, plus, sa ito, ano na lang siya? X cube plus 3 cube. And then, minus 1/2 x minus 1. Or copy ko na lang, no? Copy na lang to. Wala na tayong gagalawin dito. Divided by ito, x squared plus x. So, dito sa numerator, x squared plus x to the 1/2, ito yung mako-combine natin or ma-multiply. 3 times 3. Bale, 9 x squared tapos times x minus 1 times x cubed plus 3 squared plus x cubed plus 3 cubed. And then, copy ko uli ito minus ito. Wala naman na tayong gagalawin dito. All over lahat sila, x squared plus x. So, pwede akong mag-factor muna sa bracket. Dito sa bracket, magpa-factor tayo. X squared plus x to the 1/2. Ang common natin dito, ito yung x cubed plus 3 na base. Ito may square, ito may cube. Ifa-factor out natin si x squared plus 3 raised to what? Yung mas mababa. Si 2 or si 3, mas mababa yung 2. Okay? So, factor out natin yung x squared plus 3 squared. So, kapag dinivide nyo ngayon, eto, divide nyo to dito. Bale, makakancel nyo lang to. Ang matitira, ito. 9x squared times x minus 1. Tapos, dito naman, plus, eto, pag dinivide nyo dito, may isa ka pang power nung x cubed plus 3 na matitira. Right? So, plus x cubed plus 3 to the first. Or kahit wag yun na isulat, yung to the first. So, x cubed plus 3 na lang. And then, kokopyahin uli natin ito. Wala tayong gagalawin. All over x squared plus x. So, x squared plus x to the 1/2, x squared plus 3 squared. Etong nasa bracket, isi-simplify natin. I-distribute ko tong 9x squared. So, 9x squared times x, 9x cubed. Then, 9x squared times negative 1, negative 9x squared. Tapos, plus x cubed plus 3. Then, copy uli ito. Ito. Then, over x squared plus x. So, x squared plus x to the 1/2, x squared plus 3 squared. Ko-combine natin ngayon yung 9x cubed plus x cubed. 10x cubed. And then, copy yung negative 9x squared plus 3. Okay, so na-simplify na natin to. Tapos, copy ko lang ulit to. Then, over x squared plus x. Ngayon, magpa-factor naman tayo ng yung common dito sa dalawa. Ano yung common? So, sa constant, ano bang common? Factor out ko na tong 1/2. Pwede nyo i-factor out yan para naka-fraction na tayo. Tapos, dito sa, ano pa yung mga common? Dito sa power ng x squared plus x. Ito tsaka ito, no? Dalawa. So, anong mas maliit na exponent? So, copy nyo yung base, x squared plus x. Mas maliit 1/2 or negative 1/2? Negative 1/2. Okay? So, ifa-factor out ko yan, yung x squared plus x to the negative 1/2. Meron pa bang common? Ito, yung power ng parang mali tayo. X cube Ano yung pinactor natin? X cube plus 3 pala to, no? Sorry. X cube plus 3 yung finactor natin dito. X cube plus 3, hindi x squared plus 3, sorry. So, this is x cube. Babaguhin ko lang x cube plus 3. Nasulat ko kasi x squared plus 3. So, x cube plus 3. Yung na-factor natin kanina. Ang nasulat ko x squared. Diba? So, magiging common ngayon, common tong x cube plus 3. Ito, x cube plus 3. Yung power nung x cube plus 3. So, ifa-factor out ko rin. Tapos, anong pipiliin yung exponent? 2 or 3. Yung mas maliit. Si 2. Okay. Meron pa bang common? Wala na. So, pag wala na, ang gagawin nyo na, i-divide nyo ngayon to. Ito. Divide nyo dito. Anong matitira? So, dahil meron kang 1 dito, tapos i-divide mo siya by 1/2. Finactor ko kasi yung 1/2 eh. So, 1 divided by 1/2, magkakaroon siya ng 2. Right? Tapos dito, sa power neto, yung x squared plus x. So, x squared plus x raised to, i-subtract nyo yung exponent. 1/2 minus negative 1/2, division law of exponent, di ba? 1. Or, kahit wag na isulat. Tapos, dito sa power ng x cube plus 3, pag dinivide mo, pareho silang squared, so cancel na. So, wala na. Okay? Tapos, ito, sasama nyo yung 10x cube minus 9x squared plus 3. Hindi abot. Urong ko. Yan. Next. So, dito naman, i-divide nyo naman to dito. So, minus. So, yung 1/2, mawawala na. Finactor out mo na. Etong x minus 1. So, wala siyang common. So, copy lang. Etong power ng x cube plus 3. Pag dinivide mo sa x cube plus 3, meron ka pang isang power, right? Kasi naka-cube siya, ito naka-squared. So, may x cube plus 3 to the first ka pa. Or wag nyo na isulat kung 1 lang yung exponent. And then, dito sa x squared plus x to the negative 1/2, pag dinivide mo dito, wala na. Kasi pareho na silang exponent na negative 1/2. So, 1 na yung quotient nun. Or kahit wag nyo na isulat pag 1. And then, ito na lang, kokopyahin nyo. 2x plus 1. Yan. Then, all over x squared plus x. Okay. So, isi-simplify pa natin yung nasa bracket. I-expand pa natin. So, may 1/2 x squared plus x to the negative 1/2 x cubed plus 3 squared times, so, distribute ko na nga tong 2 dito para magiging ano na siya, 2x squared plus 2x, no? 2x squared plus 2x. Para i-file na lang natin. File ko na to, or actually ano siya, binomial times trinomial. So, ito muna, 2x squared times 10x cubed is 20x to the 5th. 2x squared times negative 9x squared negative 18x to the 4th. 2x squared times 3, positive 6x squared. Next, ito naman 2x. 2x times 10x cube. So, plus 20x to the 4th. 2x times negative 9x squared. Negative 18x cubed. Then, 2x times 3. Positive 6x. Okay. Minus. So, iaano natin to. Ito muna, i-foil ko. X times x cubed. X to the 4th. X times 3. 3x. Negative 1 times x cubed. Negative x cubed. And then, negative 1 times 3, negative 3. So, ito ko na lang ilalagay sa baba. Kasi naka-times pa to sa 2x plus 1. Over x squared plus x. So, 1/2 x squared plus x to the negative 1/2 times x cubed plus 3 squared. So, copy. And then, sige, copy ko na nga lang din to. Kasi, wala naman tayong gagalawin pa yan. Okay. Dito, aano pa natin, i-expand. So, pwede muna natin ito i-multiply. Ito. So, minus x to the 4th times 2x. 2x to the 5th. 2x times 3x. 6x squared. 2x times negative x cubed. Negative 2x to the 4th. 2x times negative 3. Negative 6x. Tas yung 1. 1 times x to the 4th. X to the 4th. 3x times 1. 3x. Negative x cubed times 1. Negative x cubed. Negative 3 times 1. Negative 3. Over x squared plus x. Sige, copy ko na lang to. Wala tayong gagalawin muna. And then, i-distribute pa natin yung negative. Dito. Distribute yung negative. Sa mga opposite sign lahat. So, magiging negative 2x to the 5th minus 6x squared plus 2x to the 4th plus 6x minus x to the 4th minus 3x plus x cubed plus 3 over x squared plus x. Tas saka tayo magko-combine sa bracket ng similar terms. So, 1/2 x squared plus x to the negative 1/2 x cubed plus 3 squared. So, sa x to the 5th, eto, x to the 5th power, dalawa. 20x to the 5th minus 2x to the 5th, 18x to the 5th. Okay, sa x to the 4th naman, ito, tsaka ito. Yan. So, negative 18 plus 20, positive 2, plus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. So, positive 3x to the 4th. Sa x cube naman, x cube is ito, tsaka ito, dalawa. So, negative 18 plus 1x cube, negative 17x cube. Sa squared, sa x squared, ito, makakancel lang. 6x squared minus 6x squared, 0. So, wala ka ng x squared. Tapos, sa x, ito, 6x plus 6x minus 3x. 12 minus 3, 9 plus 9x. Tapos yung constant, nag-iisa lang, no? 3 plus 3. Yan. All over x squared plus x. Yan. Tapos, pwede nating ma-combine ito, ma-divide. Kasi ano yan? Same base na x squared plus x. Diba ito ay raised to the first. Etong 2 bababa sa denominator talaga siya. So magiging over 2 for the 1/2. Tapos ito, yung x squared plus x, valid. Pag dinivide mo yan, raise dapat sa negative 1/2 minus 1. Right? So, negative exponent magiging 3/2. Negative 3/2. So, bababa siya ng denominator kasi negative 3/2 yung exponent. X squared plus x to the 3/2. Yan. So, okay na to. Ito na yan. So, kakopy na lang natin itong natira sa numerator. Yung x cube plus 3 squared. Tapos itong 18x to the 5th plus 3x to the 4th minus 17x cube plus 9x plus 3. So, this is the final answer. Ayun, so medyo mahaba to. Ayan, so yan yung sagot. So nakasolve na rin tayo ng 16 problems. So sana may natutunan kayo dito sa topic natin na chain rule for derivatives of algebraic functions. So, lilink ko na lang sa description yung mga past video tutorials natin, pati yung pinaka-playlist ng differential calculus. Para mapanood nyo lahat ng mga video tutorials natin. Simula sa unang lesson hanggang sa pinakadulong lessons nyo sa DifCal, Differential Calculus or Calculus 1. Para meron na rin kayong video tutorial playlist guide from our YouTube channel, Engineered Math, para sa buong subject nyo na Differential Calculus. Pwede nyo nang i-binge watch or i-marathon kapag kailangan nyong mag-review for exam or mag-advance study. Okay, nandun na lahat yon sa Differential Calculus playlist. Sunod-sunod na rin. Gagawin nyo na lang talagang guide. So, good luck sa mga nagtitake ng Calculus 1, Differential Calculus playlist. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. Basta mag-aral lang mabuti, practice mag-solve ng problems, and nood lang kayo palagi ng video tutorials ko sa YouTube. Engineered Math YouTube channel, subscribe na kayo. And hit nyo yung notification bell para manonotify kayo kapag may uploaded tayong bagong video tutorials. Okay? Sige, so see you on my next video tutorial. Bye-bye!